Welcome to the world of smart memory management. LRU is like your brain remembering the last book you read and ignoring the one you forgot a week ago. It helps the OS decide which memory pages to swap out when space gets tight, based on recency of use. Least recently used, it replaces the page that hasn't been touched for the longest time. Cold pages get the boot. How it works: tracks page usage history. Whenever a new page needs to be loaded and memory is full, it finds the oldest untouched page and replaces it. Example: page reference string 7, 0, 1, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, frames 3, update usage history after every access, coldest gets kicked. Pros: smarter than FIFO, improves hit ratio. Cons: requires tracking usage, more complex to implement. Let's break it down visually. LRU in stack style. Page reference string 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, frames available 3, rule. We remove the page that hasn't been used for the longest time, the coldest one at the bottom. Step 1, page 1 enters the memory. It's the first, so obviously. Page fault. Step 2, page 2 enters next. Still room. Page fault. Step 3, page 3 joins the memory party. Now the memory is full. Page fault. Step 4, page 1 shows up again. But hey, it's already in memory. We just update its position to most recently used. No page fault. Step 5, page 4 comes in. Memory's full, so we check which page was least recently used. That's page 2, time to say goodbye. Page fault. Step 6, page 5 enters. Now page 3 is the coldest, and used for longest. So we remove it. Page fault. Final result, we had a total of 5 page faults. Frames changed 2 times after they were initially filled. And pages were removed in classic LRU order, 2, 3. That's LRU for you, more efficient than FIFO, but a little needy when it comes to tracking usage.